What's up guys, this is Matt from ShineOn, and today I have a quick video for you on how to make BuyerUpload message card explainer images. Now the BuyerUpload message card products are a new product that we've launched which combines the ability for you to upload your own message card with the ability for your customers to upload their own images onto the jewelry itself. So it's a combination of the two best-selling products that we have available into one mega product. Really cool opportunity, and you guys should be getting involved. Now this particular tutorial today is going to explain how to generate the explainer images for your product listing on the platform. So we'll get stuck straight into it. The first thing that you're going to need to do is you need to make the product. If you haven't made the product already, then go ahead and do that. You need to upload your message card and you need to set the title for your product, etc. Once that's been done and it's finished going through the queue, you will see it here on your product list. Now, once it's in your product list, you need to click on the product so that you can edit it. You will be taken to this screen where you can edit the title, the description, etc. of your product. Now, when you're here, what you need to do is you need to click on More Actions and download additional resources, and this will take you to our folder where you can download a bunch of assets and images for the products. Now what you want to do is, depending on which product you've gone for, the circle or the pendant, you'll need to go into one of these. In this case we have the circle, so we'll go ahead and click on that. Inside here you were looking for the titles that have EXP in the title name. They stand for explainer, and there's a few different ones depending on the variant: silver, gold, but also they have different fonts and stuff. And if you go in here, you will see that there's a bunch more, and all of these look slightly different. They have different kinds of fonts and stuff, so it's entirely dependent on the style that you want to go for your product listing. So take a bit of time, go through these and have a look and see which font you want to use. So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and download one. It's a PSD file, which is a Photoshop file, but in this instance we're going to be using something called Photopea, which is a free online image editor which supports PSD Photoshop files. So all you need to do is go to photopea.com. You will be presented with this screen. There's no login, no complicated stuff, just straight to photopea.com. You will be presented with this. Once you have that up, you then want to open the PSD file which you just downloaded. You can drag and drop it on, which I'm going to do here, and it will open up, and you can clearly see that we need to insert some of our own content here, namely the message card, and depending on your niche, we might need to change the photo that's used as well. So in order for you to change the message card, it's pretty easy. All that you need to do is you need to pay attention to the layers. So all the things that you can edit within this image are listed here. This is the message card. This is the image, which goes both here and here. And this is the text, which goes on the engraving. You can customize all of that direct for your product. Maybe it's a mother that wants to gift a present to their child that's just graduated from university. That's what we're going to be going with here. So we're not going to want to use this image of a couple. We'll need to change that, and we're also going to need to upload our own message card there as well. So first thing, to change your message card, all you need to do is go to this layer. So double click on the image next to where it says MC Design, and it will load up another tab. And inside this tab is the message card area. So all you need to do here is upload the message card directly onto this template. So drag and drop your message card onto this area here. It will appear. Resize it using these little tabs, making sure that it fits across the entire image. Once that's been done, click this little check, and then go to File and Save Smart Object. And now what that will do is it will save it and it will update it onto the main document. So to go to that document, you need to click the original tab, and you will see it here. It says test card, which is our message card uploaded. To edit this image, you do the same thing. You go to this, upload your photo here, double click on that bit again, you're presented with this section, and then from here you drag and drop whatever image you want. I've got this one. Again, resize it like this to make sure that it's how you want it. Click the check, then go to File, Save Smart Object again. Now you'll notice that we have that updated and we have the message card updated. If you want to update where it says your words here on the engraving, you can do that too. Same process as before. Double click this where it says your text inside, double click on the image there. You will be presented with the text. Make sure that you have the text tool selected. Click on the text and type whatever you like. Click the check. Go File, Save Smart Object, and then go back to the main document, and there it is, all updated. Now the last thing you want to do is you're going to want to export this document, this image, and then upload it to your product page on ShineOn. Now when you're doing this, you need to pay attention to the file size. If the file size is too big, it will not upload onto your product page. So to do that, first of all, we go to File, we go to Export As, and we're going to use a JPEG because JPEGs tend to have good quality and small file size. So click JPEG. We can set the quality to 100% if it's not already set to that, and then we click Save, and it will download what you've just been working on. Now that we have that downloaded, we need to add it to our product page. So to do that, we go to the product page that we were on before, where you edit stuff, and then we need to scroll down to the bottom where it says Add Instructional Images. You click this, then click Upload from Device. Now you may find you don't see it at first. That's because by default this says PNG image. We want to drop that down and go All Files so that we can see all of the files in the folder. Then we want to choose the JPEG image which you just generated and click Open. Now that's been done, you can see that it's been added onto this here. You can move this around, you can delete the other images that are on there just like you would with any other product. And that is all there is to making your own explainer images for our message card and BuyerUpload products. Just remember two things. One, the file size, don't make it massive. If it's like over 5 megabytes or whatever, it'd be small. Use a JPEG, and because they tend to be smaller file size, that will tend to help. And number two, you need to edit the layers inside of Photopea or Photoshop if you have that and you know how to use that to get everything all on there. And that's all there is to it. Guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you really enjoy our products at ShineOn.